I'm going to show you exactly how to take a 1-hour podcast or tutorial and transform it into a massive stack of viral-ready clips with virtually zero effort. Hi, I am Kevin, your dedicated content nerd friend, and on this channel I share the specific tools and workflows that help creators make more, spend less, and work significantly smarter. Today, we are diving into how to repurpose long-form videos into snackable viral content using Vizard, and why this specific workflow is a must-have for every creator's toolkit. Short-form content is absolutely dominating the internet right now, and the fastest way to grow is turning your lengthy episodes into dozens of attention-grabbing, high-quality clips. This method works for literally any long video, whether it's a podcast, webinar, interview, or tutorial, and it does not matter if it is your own footage or something else you have the right to reuse. I will guide you through the entire process, from initial clipping to smart scheduling and publishing across all your platforms, all using the incredibly simple interface of Vizard. First, head over to Vizard, where you can paste a YouTube URL, upload an MP4, or link your cloud storage so you can choose whichever option is most convenient for you. I am using one of my own videos for this demo, and as soon as I drop the URL and hit process, Vizard begins scanning the file instantly. This is where the magic happens. The software automatically identifies the parts of your video that are most likely to perform well, such as strong hooks and high-value tips. It saves you hours of manual scrubbing by creating multiple vertically optimized clips in a single pass, practically finding the gold for you. Give it just a few minutes to process, and while you wait, notice that Vizard does not just cut clips randomly, but instead it actually scores them. You get a specific rating for the hook flow and trend potential, which helps you understand exactly why a particular clip is worth promoting. That feedback is huge because you never have to guess, as it tells you exactly where the strong emotional hooks or relatable punchlines are located. Once the clips are ready, they are presented in a clean timeline with thumbnails and suggested captions, allowing you to preview each one instantly. The auto subtitles are incredibly crisp and fully stylable, meaning you can pick the specific look that fits your brand identity. Vizard is also smart about framing, so if you are talking with someone else, it will automatically crop and compose shots so faces read well in vertical. On split-screen interviews, it intelligently decides which speaker to emphasize, ensuring the clip never feels cramped or awkward. Editing is super chill, so if you want to change the exact cut, you can just click into the clip and edit it as easily as writing a document. You can delete words, drag endpoints, add a voiceover, or even tweak the subtitle text to punch up your hook in just a few clicks. For creators who are not professional editors, this is an absolute lifesaver because the controls are intuitive while still having power for pros. I ran a 50-minute episode, and Vizard suggested over 25 clips, including specific recommendations for where they would perform best, like TikTok or Reels. That level of automation is exactly why you can scale your content creation without the burden of hiring a full-time editor. Now that you have a pile of clips, let's talk about getting them out to the world, which is where Vizard really separates itself from the competition. Vizard combines high-quality clip generation with a built-in content calendar and auto-scheduling that works perfectly for multi-platform publishing. You can simply set your desired posting frequency, and Vizard will automatically schedule them according to peak times and your personal preferences. If you want to hold some clips back for future weeks, you can just drag and drop them into your calendar, keeping everything visual and easy to manage. Vizard supports direct publishing to all the major platforms, including TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. Compared to piecing together a clipper and a separate scheduler, this unified approach saves you countless hours of tedious busy work. You might have heard of other tools, but many of them force you to juggle multiple separate dashboards, which is not ideal when you are trying to stay consistent. Vizard solves that by merging smart clip selection, flexible editing, and reel scheduling into one seamless, unified flow. If you want to post a clip to TikTok and automatically have it repost to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, just set your cross-post preferences once. It even removes watermarks when cross-posting, reformats captions to platform limits, and offers hashtag suggestions so your posts actually get discovered. Pricing-wise, Vizard is built for creators who want scale without the sticker shock, as it is much more cost-effective than paying for 3 separate services. There is a generous free trial so you can test all the full features and see how many clips you can generate and schedule before you ever decide to pay. To publish, just select your clips, choose your platforms, tweak the caption if needed, and hit publish, or let Vizard auto-schedule the best times for you. You can even back up every single clip to your Google Drive or Dropbox automatically, ensuring you never lose your hard work. There are also content management features for teams, including shared libraries and brand templates, so everyone can collaborate without stepping on toes. Analytics are built right in, so you can see which clips are trending and which platforms are converting best, helping you make smarter creative decisions. My first pro tip is to let Vizard suggest the hooks, but do not be afraid to inject your own personality and tighten the first 3 seconds to grab attention. Second, match your subtitle style to the platform vibe using big, bold captions for TikTok and perhaps cleaner, more minimal looks for LinkedIn. Finally, schedule a mix of high-velocity clips and evergreen tips to keep your channel active and growing, even during your slow weeks. If this workflow sounds useful, do me a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe if you want more practical ways to grow your brand without burning out. These tools are amazing for turning a single long episode into weeks of content, and Vizard makes it feel less like manual labor and more like smart leverage. If you want a deeper walkthrough or a live demo for a specific episode, just drop a comment below, and I will absolutely make that video for you. For now, go grab a long video, pop it into Vizard, and you will be honestly surprised at how many gems are hiding in that hour you recorded.
All right, go create, and I will see you in the next video where I break down how to turn a single viral clip into a full 30-day growth plan. Peace out.